Hello guys, welcome to Infinity Ahzee channel.
Infinity Archie, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Actually, I get up at 6 in the morning, then go to washroom and get fresh. Then I say my prayer. After then I go outside for morning work. Getting back home, I then have something food what I get easily. Next, taking a cup of tea. I start my work, completing it. I get ready to go to my school and that's all. Bye.
Actually, I get up at 6 in the morning. Then I go to washroom and get fresh. Next, I say my prayer. After I go outside for morning walk. Getting back home, I then have something food what I get easily. Next, taking a cup of tea, I start my work. Completing it, I get ready to go to school and that's all. Bye.
I get up early in the morning, then go to washroom and get fresh. Next, I say my prayer. After that, I go outside for morning walk. Getting back home, I then have something more, but I get easily. Next, taking a cup of tea, I start my work. Completing it, I get ready to go to my school, and that's all. Bye.